Hey, this is Lewis, and I thank you for taking time to explore our website. I had an online seminar filled to capacity. I shared the latest updates of ISO 9001 to suppliers across the country. Many who attended have written in thanking me for how impactful the information was for them and their company. They each paid $45 to attend, but I'm giving you access to it right now for free. I want you to get your hands on it right now so you and your team can witness the impact as well. I invite you to click the Continue to Step 2 button and then share with us your best email address. We promise to rush deliver it to your inbox. But before you do that, I'll ask this question. What is it you want for your company? And actually, for yourself, for that matter. Are you a supplier looking to improve results for your customers? Maybe you're interested in acquiring additional certifications and qualifications. Or perhaps you're an individual wanting to get promoted. Whichever one of those fits you, they all come down to this: increasing your status. Or more accurately, putting more money in your bank account. I know you want that, and there's something blocking you from making it happen. Whatever it is you want, I can help you get it. How can I make such a bold claim? Because I was once like you. I've sat in the chair you're sitting in. I had a customer who was dissatisfied with the porosity level of our cast iron parts. It was a gear. The porosity levels and location caused excessive tool wear, causing breakage on their machining tools, and a possible cracked stress riser failure mode in the tooth region of the cast part. Now, the estimated damage and costs was from $800,000 to $1.5 million over a span of a year, leading to very irate and dissatisfied customers. But using our problem-solving tools and techniques, we were able to pinpoint and move the porosity from the teeth of the gear more towards the center, away from any machined surface, while maintaining the customer-approved integrity of the cast part. It improved the functionality of the gears and the machining tool life significantly. On another account, a plant manager asked my input on a $1.2 million automated technology planned for installment in my area. I took that opportunity to use what was left of my industrial engineering technology degree, delivered a detailed unbiased analysis on safety, quality, cost throughout, and delivery of the proposed new technology. Unfortunately for the designer, it was not a glowing analysis in support of the new technology. I now understood how process and system outputs influence the manufacturing decision-making process. My manufacturing observation during the project was this: an operational manager will select inaction if they believe the price of quality, or the investment, outweighs the cost of nonconformance, or poor quality. When the cost of nonconformance is compared to profits, managers are shocked to learn the costs can exceed their annual profits, and they are now ready to react. Eureka! We have to transform quality into value, money, profits, so the manufacturing organization can identify continuous improvement targets. And our training encapsulates exactly that. We guide you to transform quality to value, value for your clients, or better put, more money. We focus on the bottom line because that's what your clients, accounts, focus on. Our class isn't developed just for the sake of training. You go back to your job site and implement what you've learned immediately, providing fast results for your customers. Here's a quick overview of the training. Day 1, standardize job elements in workplace organization. Learn the best practices to establish a repeatable, predictable baseline for improvement, involving the highest levels of safety, quality, and productivity through 5S. Additional tools include standardized training, managing change, visual management, 5S. On day 2, we explore failure mode effects analysis, FMEA, with control plans. You will highlight and prevent future failures from occurring. FMEA focuses on reducing risk of failure occurrences by making decision and process changes, which has proven to save organizations significant amounts of money by prevention of failures/product recalls. Additional tools include Press Control Plan, or PCP, labeling controls, and planned maintenance. On day 3, we delve into Statistical Process Control, or SPC. You will run a group of sequentially produced parts, then measure them to determine average range in sigma. Control limits are calculated using these same parts. Additional samples are measured and plotted to determine where the process is going and why. Interpretations of results are part of your course, as well as capability study exercises. Additional tools included common cause variation, special cause variation, measurement systems analysis, or MSA. You complete a GRR in the course. We've all heard the expression, garbage in, garbage out. The same can be applied when process controls decisions. Product acceptance are based on invalid data. MSA examines the sources of variation in the measurement process, as well as information about measurement characteristics based on accuracy, precision, and stability. Additional tools included geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, or GD&T, and gauge plan. Day 4, problem solving, 8D. You will conduct a root cause analysis using problem solving tools, presented and demonstrated in this session. Both internal and external field failures, customer complaints is introduced. Teams use these tools to identify, analyze, and determine root cause and ultimately solve the issues. Understanding is gained through practical, hands-on exercises. Using common measurement gauges, problems are introduced to demonstrate the typical formats for reporting the findings. Applying solutions, corrections, and improvements. Day 5, Advanced Product Quality Planning, or APQP, a structured method of defining and establishing the steps necessary to ensure that a product satisfies the customer. Additional tools included ISO 9001 and TS 16949 integration, layered process audits, and contamination controls production trial run, control of non-conforming external logistics, and material flow management, IT disaster and recovery plan, production part approval process, or PPAP, an important part of the product development process because it allows producers to evaluate the components and subsystems which they receive from suppliers. It establishes confidence in the supplier's management systems. Additional bonus tools integrated into the workshop. ISO 9001 and TS 16949 integration, standardized work elements, visual management, standardized training, plus many more. Seating is limited to only 15 participants, and you are one of over 2,000 people watching this right now. Class begins Monday, November 30th, and then Monday, December 7th, you'll be implementing what you learned from the class, transforming quote-unquote quality to value, or better put, increasing your customers' profits. And you should consider this. Even with all the new standards and technology updates, QMS hasn't changed significantly since 1941. I invite you to register right now. We will get our final and 15th registrant today. Once we do, registration is closed for the session. I thank you so much for watching. Click the Continue to Step 2 button to watch the free webinar. You'll then be taken to the page to register for class. And I'll see you November 30th in class.